Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Strapi for flexible UI content modeling, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Strapi website at strapi.io. Hover over the Get Started section in the top menu. Click on the documentation link that appears in the drop-down. Once on the documentation page, select the version of Strapi you wish to use. Next, click on the installation section for instructions on how to set up Strapi. Follow the instructions for installing Strapi using either npm or yarn. After installation, open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command to create a new Strapi project, specifying the project name you prefer. Allow Strapi to automatically install the necessary dependencies for your new project. Once the installation is complete, navigate into your project folder using the terminal. Now, start your Strapi application by running the command to launch the development server. Open a web browser and go to the local URL provided in the terminal, usually http://localhost 1337/admin. You will encounter the Strapi admin panel. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your administrator account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once completed, click the button to confirm and create your admin account. After the setup, you will be logged into the Strapi dashboard. To begin content modeling, click on the Content Type Builder option in the sidebar. Inside the Content Type Builder, click the button to create a new collection type. Enter a meaningful name for your collection type to describe the content it will hold. Proceed by adding fields that define the structure of your content. For each field, select the appropriate data type from the options provided. You can also configure additional settings for each field, such as whether it is required or unique. After adding all necessary fields, click on the button to save your new collection type. Strapi will automatically create the database structure for you based on the defined fields. Once saved, click on the Content tab to start adding entries to your new collection. Fill in the fields with relevant data for each entry you create. Finally, click on the Save button to store your entries in the database. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.